Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss directions, part 4, part 3. Okay. Up to this, we already discussed the basics of the directions, how many directions to have, and basic questions. Without pen and paper, how we are going to solve that. Direction facing, finding the facing problem, and then yesterday we discussed about the distance and direction both. Now we'll go for new concept in this directions, that is Pythagoras theorem. I think everyone knows this Pythagoras theorem. The square, the one of the it is a C, this length equal to square root of this length and this length, right? So we know that AB square, A square plus B square, square root of A square plus B square is nothing but C square, right? Sorry, yeah, C. That is, you can take simply A square plus B square, right? No. So everyone knows this Pythagoras theorem. So based on this, we are going to solve the problems today. Okay. Let us have an examples, then you people will understand easily. Now, first one. The question is, Ram started walking towards east. After walking 10 meters, he took a right turn and walked 10 meters. He took a left turn and walked 30 meters. Again, took a left turn and walked 40 meters. How far and which direction from his starting point? They're asking same question only, but what's the difference it will be? First, if you're drawing the diagram, if you draw the diagram for this, then people will understand what's the Pythagoras theorem, how we're applying here. Okay. Now, first of all, Ram started walking towards east. So I always said, whenever if you're doing the directions problem, just take one direction like it. Okay. Right? No, think. Now, check here. So what they're saying, first of all, Ram started walking towards east. This is not, then it is east. Okay. How many meters? 10 meters he walked. After walking 10 meters, he took right. East to right is nothing but south. You should remember this, okay? And 10 meters. Again, 10 meters. And then took right and walked 10 meters. He took left turn. From south to left, again east only, right? Again east. So east. Took and walked 30 meters. Okay, this is 30 meters. So this is 10 and this is 30. And again took a left turn. So from east, left, nothing but north. Okay. And walked 40 meters. 40 meters. Now they're asking how far and which direction from starting point. So see here, where is the Ram started? Here, and now here. So distance between these 2 points we need to find out. These two. Okay, not like this. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 30 plus 40. Not like this. Here, the shortest way of these, both of this, so like this. So this we need to find out. Just check now. I'll change the color. No, check. So from this to this point, and from this to this point. Now check this one. This one is just like Pythagoras theorem, right? So we need to find out this value, right? So this value is 10 meters, and this is 10 meters, and this is 30 meters, and it is totally 40 meters, right? So we want only from here. This is 10 meters, this is 10 meters, this is 10 meters, and this is 30 meters, and then it is 40, and it is 10 meters. So it is also 30 meters. It is 30 meters, right? So totally this will be 40, and this is 30. No. Yes. If you want to find out this, use the Pythagoras theorem. So C equal to root of 40 square plus 30 square, right? So it's nothing but 164 square plus 900 equal to root of 2500. It's nothing but 50 is equal to 50 meters. And which direction is having? Which direction? So if this is east, okay, this is east. Now this is north, and this is east, and he is like this. So starting point, no, which direction from starting point? Northeast, right? Northeast. Is it clear? See, if they're asking the which direction from starting point is this, and he is now here. So this is east, and this is north, and here in between east and north, that is northeast. Okay. Done. Come to the next part. Kamal goes 12 kilometers towards north from a fixed point, and then goes 8 kilometers towards south. From there, in the end, he goes 3 kilometers towards east. How far is from the starting point? So same type of question. Just first follow the instruction. Kamal goes 12 kilometers towards north, right? 12 kilometers towards north from a fixed point, and 8 kilometers towards south from there. 8 kilometers towards south from there. Okay, here. Again here. I'll change the color. Here. First towards north, fixed point. Then goes towards south from there. 8 kilometers. It's totally 12 kilometers, right? So it is 8 kilometers. In the end, he goes towards east. This one, right? Towards east. How many meters? 3 kilometers. Now, how far from starting point? How far he is from starting point? See, this is, we need to find. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we know this. This is totally 12. Totally 12. From here to here, it is 12. And from here to here, it is 8. 12, 8. So this one is nothing but 4. And this is nothing but 3. So we know that this length equal to Pythagoras theorem. This length equal to 4 square plus 3 square. So this length up and this length. Okay. Now it is 16 plus 9 root 25. It's nothing but root, 5 is the 5 kilometers is the answer. 5 kilometers is the answer, right? Yes. By using the Pythagoras theorem, that's it. Okay. So whenever, if you are finding that direction problems, you just draw the one direction like north, And based on this, you just try to find the data. So first he goes 12 kilometers towards north, and south means in the same direction he just backward. The same direction he just backward to 8 kilometers. So 12 kilometers is totally 8 kilometers is come back, and so remaining it is 4 kilometers. And from there, from each side 3 kilometers. So root of 4 square plus 3 square is nothing but 5. Okay. So this is what the Pythagoras theorem. Now, okay, try to solve this. You people just try to solve this in the same type of method. So a person starts walking in the north direction after traveling a distance of 20 meters. Take the left turn and walks 25 meters. From there actually, that is from there he took a right turn and walked 20 meters, and finally took a right turn and walked 35 meters. How far he is from the starting point and which direction? Okay, see, try to solve without pen and paper. First of all, you will get the ideas. Okay, see, at least just write some shortcuts. That's it. So no need to write everything, no need to draw the diagrams like this. Okay. First of all, what they're saying, the north side, walking north direction, traveling distance, north 20. And then takes left turn. From north to left is nothing but west. West 25 meters. From here they took right. From again, right, that means same position. So west to right, it is nothing but again north of 20 meters. So finally he took right, that means east side, 35 meters. 35 meters, right? Now, this is the way, and you just now this is north 20, and then from west 25, and then again north 20, again east 35. Now versus 20, it is 25, and it is again 20, and it is 35. Now, how far he is from the starting point from here to here? I'll change the color. From here to here they're asking. Okay, what's the length of this? So if you want to find this length, you need to know this side length and this side length, right? So this is totally from here to here it's 35, and here to here it's 25. The remaining is only 10. Okay, remaining 10. Remaining 10. And here it is 20, and it is also 20. So it is nothing but 40. 40 and 10. So 40 square plus 10 square. It is 1600 plus 100. 1700 root 1700. We can take 10 out. So root 17. Okay, 10 root 17 is the answer, right? Then in the same way, try another one. The Suresh travels 7 kilometers towards south and then 5 kilometers towards his left. He further travels 5 kilometers towards south. How far he is from the starting point? Check that what they're saying. So let's travel 7 kilometers towards south. Okay, from here. Okay, this is south, right? This side 7 kilometers from, and then 5 kilometers towards his left. His left means again east, south to left, east, 5 kilometers, and he further travels 5 kilometers towards south, again south, again south. Okay. From here, here, and here. How far he is from starting point? So the starting point here, this one. This one. So how far this one? From here to here. So this, if you want to find out this one, then you need to find this length and this length, right? Now check. Change the color first. So from here to here and here to here. Now we can find out this length here by using this length. Okay? And here, what they're saying the data here, this is 7 first south side, and then 5 to east side, and then again south it's a 5. So this is 5 and this is 7, totally 12, and this is 5. Okay. Now to find out this side is nothing but root of 12 square plus 5 square is 25. Sorry. Plus 5 square. Now it is root 144 plus 25 is nothing but 169. It's nothing but 13 is the answer. 13 is the answer, right? So very simple. First of all, you need to know this which we are extending that. So what is the length of this? So I'm extending from here to here, that is nothing but this is equal to this length. And I'm extending this one. So this length equal to this length. So this side length, if you want to find out the total this side length. So 7 plus 5, 12, and this is 5. 12 square plus 5 square, root of, then we can get 13. So this is nothing but 13 kilometers from the starting point. Okay, from the starting point. This is how the Pythagoras theorem we are using here in this direction. Okay. Now, do it this question. Try to solve this question. A person walks 4 kilometers towards west, then turn to his right, travel 9 kilometers. He turns towards east and travel 12 kilometers. Finally, he traveled 3 kilometers towards south. How far he is from the initial position? Same type of question. Just you can easily solve this. So what they are saying, first of all, a person walks 4 kilometers towards west. So if you are assuming this is a north, assuming this is north, so this will be west, right? So towards west 4 kilometers. Then turns his right. So west to right is nothing but north side. North side, and travel 9 kilometers. He turns towards east now, east, and travel 12 kilometers. And finally, he traveled 3 kilometers towards south. 3 kilometers towards south. Now, so how far he is from the initial point? Where is the initial point? It is here. This one is the initial point, and it is a final point. And make sure that, so you need to find out this length, right? This length. How are we going to find out this length? We need to find this and then this. Then we can say this one. So how we are going to get this length and this length? Just check now. This is 4 kilometers. That means these are the 4 kilometers. And from here to here, it is nothing but 9 kilometers. 9 kilometers. Now, so, and from here to here, so this total is 12. Total is 12 and it is 3, right? So now this is 3, this is 3, and we want up to here. The total is 9 and up to this it is 3. So remaining is 6 minus 3 is, sorry, 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, this length, we find that it is 6. Okay, totally 9. Up to here it is 3. So remaining is 6. 6. And then what is this? This one. 6 square plus, okay, plus here. This length, you need to find out this length. The total is 12 and up to here it is a 4 and remaining 8. Right? 8 square is nothing but 64. Sorry. This is 8 only, right? So 8. Now this is 8 and this is 6. We know. We need to find out this one. So root of, so 8 square plus 36 square. Sorry, 6 square. I'm taking directly square actually. So that 6 square is nothing but 64 plus 36. So it's nothing but 110 is the answer. 10 kilometers. Right? So root of 100 is nothing but 10 kilometers. Now, check another one. I have one more problem also. A man walks 2 kilometers to north, then he turns to east and walks 10 kilometers. After this, he turns to north and walks 3 kilometers. Again, he turns to east and walks 2 kilometers. How far is he from starting point? The same type of method. Try to solve and give the answer in 1 minute time. I will give. Just using the Pythagoras theorem. That's it. Do it, ma, do it. Just by using Pythagoras theorem, that's it. Doing or not? Just try to solve by using Pythagoras theorem. It's make easy. First, if you practice with drawing the diagram, then after then without paper and without pen also you can solve this. Okay, see here what they're saying. Man walks 2 kilometers to the north 2 kilometers, right? Then he turns to east and walks 10 kilometers. After he turns to north, again north, 3 kilometers. again turns to east, walk 2 kilometers, and how far from the starting point? Simply they are asking how far from the starting point. This one, starting point to ending point, here to here, right? So this is nothing but 2 kilometers, and this is nothing but 10 kilometers, and this is nothing but 3, and it is 2, right? Now, what do we require? This length. That means we want this full length of this. Just extend this up to like this, and this. So this is 10 and this is 2, totally 12. And this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, this is 3. Okay, now its total is 5 square. And this is total is nothing but 12 square. Again, this is 169. This is 20. Then again it is 13 only. See, simple math, simple one. So simple one, you just try to solve this many problems and you people will easily understand. Okay. Now, a man walks 1 kilometer to east and then he turns to south and walks 5 kilometers. He walks 5 kilometers. Again he turns to east and walks 2 kilometers. After this, he turns to north and walks 9 kilometers. How far he is from starting point? Just same way, just do it. A man walks 1 kilometer to the east and then he turns to the south. Even south or right, both are same. So walks 5 kilometers. First of all, 1 kilometer to east and then he turns to south and walks 5 kilometers. Again he turns to east, again turns to east and walks 2 kilometers. Right? Just see. Man walks first 1 kilometer, then turns to the south, it's 5 kilometers. And then again he turns east towards 2 kilometers. Okay. Turns east to 2 kilometers. And he's after this, he turned it into north, walks 9 meters. From here to north. At 9 meters. How far from street he is? Same type of percentage. Solve this one. Okay, now check this. This is 1 kilometer, this is 5 kilometers, this is 2 kilometers, and this is 9 kilometers. So extend this. It is also 2 kilometers, and this is a 5 kilometers. So here it is 4 kilometers. So 4 kilometers, root of root of 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square plus 3 square. So here it is 3, 9, and it is 4, right? 4 square is element 16. 25. 25 root of 25 means it's number 5. It is also 5. Just extend the lines. It is 2 and it is 1. That's 3. It is 3 square is 9. And from here to here, it is totally 9. Totally 9. And up to it is 4. 5. So remaining is 4 only. So 4 square plus 3 square is nothing but 169. sorry, it is 25 and 25 square will be there. I'm going to clear this. Check this. The same type of problems you'll find in even that handouts also. Just wait for a minute. Just wait a second. Check this. So here also some of the problems is there in the same manner. So try to solve this one. See. Sixth one. Starting point, started point of X, walker straight, started from point X and walker straight. Straight means you have to take not 5 kilometers. And then, okay, sorry, they given already here. X walker straight 5 kilometers west they given. They mention. If doesn't mention anything, then take the north. Okay. No, okay. 5. It's 5 kilometers west. Then turns left. Turns left means south, right? And walker straight 2 kilometers. And again turns left. Just a minute. X is here. Starting with the same west, then turn left, again 2 kilometers, again turn left, east. And again turns left and walk straight. 7 kilometers. The direction of the point. This one. Simply this one. So this is 5 and this is 5. So this is 2. And this will be this 2. So root of 2 square plus 2 square. Is that even? 4 plus 4, 8. And in which direction from here? Now this one is there. Then it is northwest. Okay, then see a child looking for his father. He went 90 meters. 90 meters in the east before turning to his right. So right means he went 20 meters before turning his right again and right. West 20 meters. $90 kilometers first, then east before turning to his right. Okay, first right. The first right is nothing but south, and then walks 20 meters before turning his right again. From right to right. Then right to right is right, and opposite direction. Now before turning to his right again, went 20 meters. He went 20 meters. $90 meters in the east before turning off his right. Right. So child father went 90 meters Yes, before turning to the right. Then 20 before turning to his right again to look for his father at his uncle's place 30 meters. From this point, his father was not there. Father was not there. From there, he went 100 meters to his north, like this, 100 meters north before meeting his father is right. How far did son meet his father's starting point? What is starting point? Ma'am? That is very, very important. So this one is starting. Yeah, I'll extend this one. This is starting point. This is any point. Yeah. That's what we saw the problems in Pythagoras theorem. So next class we're doing the sum of the problems in north, east, northwest, southwest, and northwest. So related based on related corner directions. Then after that, then we'll move for the uh, shadows questions also. Okay. Then we're going to end this topic maximum estate tomorrow. Maximum tomorrow. So we have to discuss about the shadows problems and the shadow problems. Okay. Then you are okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.